Welcome to the Wilson Foundry and the Greensand Raw Materials module. Click the navigation button to learn how to navigate this module. When you're ready, click Next to begin your study.
This screen shows you how to navigate the module. Please review the functionality as shown. This screen shows you how to navigate the module. Please review the functionality as shown.
This module will introduce the raw materials in green sand mixtures used in making high-quality molds. It will focus on these topics. Hi, I'm Kevin, a new sand molder at Wilson Foundry. I just graduated from community college where I studied manufacturing technology. I have no metal casting experience. Today, in training, I hope to get an overview of how green sand is made and to learn about the raw material components of green sand. Help me set up the video screen by clicking on the background. Click the play button to show the 2-minute video on green sand molds.
The most common method of creating metal castings is the Greensand process. In the Greensand process, sand is coated with a mixture of clay and water. This mixture can be formed into molds. The term green sand refers to the water that is used to activate the clay components that bond the sand particles together. There are two types of molds, horizontally parted and vertically parted. Horizontally parted molds can be hand constructed or machine made using green sand. They are constructed in two parts. The bottom part is called a drag and the top part is called a cope. The line which separates drag from cope is called the parting line. To make molds, a box called a flask is placed over the drag section of the pattern. In this case, a match plate pattern is used. Then the pattern is covered with the green sand mixture, which is compacted. Compaction may be hand ramming, jolting, or squeezing. Compaction forces the sand grains to bond and assume the contours of the patterns. After sufficient compaction, the pattern and flasks are turned over so that the cope may be made. The cope is made exactly the same way. After the cope has been made, it is separated from the pattern plate and is set aside. The drag and cope are then mated into a horizontally parted mold.
Which of the following statements is not true regarding green sand molds? Which of the following statements is not true regarding green sand molds?